Hello and welcome back to Newsroom Nigeria. This is where we give you hot, fresh, and sizzling news all day long. If this is your first time here or you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like this video, also leave your opinions in the comment section below as well. Breaking news, top court gives eye-catching order in Abuja landowners case against Wike. Let's take a look at the details. An Abuja High Court has given an order of interim injunction restraining Nyesom Wike, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, FCT, and some individuals from selling a landed property. As reported by Vanguard newspaper, the property is located at plot number 4411, Cadastral Zone A09, Guzape District, Abuja. Justice Mohammed Zubaru reportedly made the order following an expert motion moved by counsel to the applicant, Ruben Atabo, a senior advocate of Nigeria SAN. Although the motion expert marked M16807 2024 was moved by Atabo on Monday, December 23, its certified true copy CTC was made available to the News Agency of Nigeria on Tuesday, December 24. The judge said the interim order of injunction is to last for a few days pending when all parties are served and applied before this court for the hearing of a motion on notice. Consequently, an order of interim injunction is hereby made restraining the defendant, respondent, whether by themselves or agents, privies, servants, workmen, and any person howsoever called acting on their behalf from trespassing into and interfering with the claimant's exclusive possession of a property. The judge who directed the motion on notice already filed from the court be served on all the defendants, adjourn the case until Monday, December 30, 2024, for hearing of a substantive suit. Recall on the motion expert dated and filed on Monday, December 16, the applicant, Nextdora Nigeria Limited, sued Eric Ayamene Nnamdi Bilikisu Malam, Wike, and Federal Capital Development Authority, FCDA, as forced defendants, respectively. The company sought 4 interim orders, which were granted. The fourth relief is an order of interim injunction restraining the defendant from, among others, developing or assigning the property situated at number 4411 Cadastral Zone A09 Guzape District, Abuja. You all, let's have your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. What do you all think of this? Before we go, let's take a look at some of the reactions we got online. Fidel says, I think the best thing they should do is for all the estates to mobilize themselves and stop any demolition that is not approved by the courts. That general has stopped them from demolishing his house. Is the only way out of this Minister of Demolition. I think when it comes to, government demolishing properties, I think people usually feel helpless. The normal average Nigerian do not have that mindset of going to, the courts, because they believe that at the end of the day, they might go to court, drag with the government. You are dragging with the government that can influence any court decision that they like. The people usually see it as a defeated what's it called? A defeated thing already. That even before you go to court, you are defeated. So if you want to go to court, it means you have money to waste. So the small money that you have left, it's better for you to use that money to start your life instead of you going to court and dragging, government. What you will say in most cases is that it's only people who have money to spend, who do not mind spending that money, who do not mind spending the time or the years that it will take for them to win the case, who do not mind, that the one that will end up going to the court. According to this comment, I support the fact that, these people should come together instead of, these cases, instead of them to go to court, one by one individually and start, dragging and dragging. They should just put themselves together, go to court, file a joint motion against Tinubu, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, against Wike, I mean, not Tinubu, against Wike, and fight this case out in the court of law. That way the money they are going to spend will be reduced, and they will have each other to talk with. Anybody that knows somebody who can help them would also assist, instead of it being just individually one person just going after you. We are talking about the government. Like I said, the government can influence any court decision that they want, but if it is like a joint case, like people call it a joint class action, yes, that's the word, a joint class action, that way it will be more effective. They can even sue for what is it, 1 billion naira. I mean, all of them, sue the Federal Capital Territory Minister and say that this is the amount of money we want to collect, for demolishing our property and for revoking our landed property, the stress, the emotional stress and all of that. They can, ask for payment for damages. That way, the likelihood of them winning the case is higher than one person just, going to court individually. It will take a lot. It will take a lot of time, a lot of money that will be spent. Akimbode Adeoye says, so the judgment is in order and not but. But if it's the other way round, judiciary is corrupt. Kenneth Oyebuchi says, Wike must be very careful with the North too, because Atiku fraternity is opting for him to vendetta on his many betrayals. Richard Eddy responded to that comment by saying, just that you don't really know Wike, Atiku or any cultist is too small for Wike, who is the grandmaster of all cultists. Is that Wike you're seeing there? That's why many are afraid of him and his influencer in many states. You all, let's have your thoughts and opinions in the comment section. Thank you very much for always listening and watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.